Alright, guys, so welcome to our very first topic, which is all about frequency. As you all know, no, so we have lined up these videos again because these are like say on a hierarchy. So if you skip the videos, then again you might like say miss the purpose of why we are doing this stuff here. Okay, and you might miss the point. Now, so let's start off with frequency, guys, because frequency is a vital information, no, for you to really become more aware. No, this is the start of your awareness into everything. What we are learning in this group is more about awareness, no, how aware for you to become aware on how to become um, successful, on how to become at peace, no, so how you become more aware about um, having more love, more like say if you have health issues, diba? These are the things that will be very beneficial on your end, on our end, because these again the start of awareness to everything, and that's gonna be our main goal for this whole courses, right? So yeah, let's start off with the frequency. So what is frequency, guys? If you ask me right now, Coach Kal, ano ba yung frequency? So, if most of you are not aware, we are in this world. We are actually governed by frequencies. What do I mean by that? Frequency is something that is unseen to the naked eye. No, hindi mo siya makikita. But then again, it's actually in there. The frequency is all over the world. No? It's circling the planet. Um, One example of frequency is um, like your cell phone, diba? Your cell phone is run by frequency. If you don't believe of frequencies, then these are the reasons why you have to believe. No, radio stations. So radio stations are also run by frequency. No, let me give you that. Let me write it down. No, radio, and it's run by frequency. If you still are not believing about this, then I mean with these examples, and how about your Wi-Fi? Yan. Your Wi-Fi is a certain kind of frequency. If you are not on the right Wi-Fi frequency, I am a technical support before, guys, no, nung call center agent pa ako. I've been into technical world for like say 10 years, no, customer support technical. Wi-Fi is frequency, right? What else? Your television is a frequency. Diba? Bluetooth is a kind of frequency. It is in here, but we are not internalizing, and we are not aware that we can use this to our own benefit. No, what is that benefit? That is the benefit of you achieving. Alright, enjoy lang tayo dito, guys. Don't mind my penmanship. The things that you want. Oh, Coach Carl, so ano ibig sabihin nun? By using the frequency, I can use it for me to get the things that I want. Yes, indeed. No? So if you know how to master frequency, you know what is frequency and what is the source of frequency and what are the levels of frequency, no? You will be able to use it in order for you to get the things that you want. Why? All right. So cell phone, guys. Say for example, what you want is for you to speak to me. No, you wanted some advice, so you have my cell phone number. You have the right number. No, if you have the right number, if you have my number right, then pwede na tayong mag-usap through cell phones, no? Telegram, what else? WhatsApp, diba? Because we are now on the same frequency. What you want is for you to speak to me and get an advice. Now you have to dial the number in order for you to get the same frequency as my number, and you can speak to me. Diba? Radio station. It's AM and FM. So what you want is for you to listen to some music. You want FM station. You want FM station. Now, if naka-tune in ka sa AM, you will never be able to go to the frequency of FM station or FM frequency. You want to be here, but you're here, then cannot be. Right? You have to be in the right frequency. If this is what you want, you have to be in the right frequency for you to get the thing that you want. Wi-Fi, I already have an example earlier. If you are not on the right Wi-Fi name and password, diba? What will happen? You are not going to be in the right frequency and you want to be connected pero hindi ka makakonect because you're not in the right frequency. Okay? And yeah, TV, if you want ABS, wala nang ABS ngayon, sadly. But then again, naka-tune in ka sa GMA, then what you want is here, pero nandito ka, then you will not be in the place where you want to be. You will only get what you have as the same frequency as what you are. Right? Are you getting the point, guys? All right. Now, since we now know that we have frequency in here, all right, guys. So let's go ahead and explain more about frequency. No, so frequency. If you're now getting the point, where yung mga bagay na gusto mo, there's like a certain frequencies of it. No, the cell phones and everything, right? In the things that you want, like personally, like say for example, the goals, diba? The goals, the life that you want, diba? The health that you want, no? If you're sick right now, the relationship that you want, okay? These things is actually run by energy, vibration, and frequency, no? Frequency is controlled by emotions, no? Or the source of frequency is actually your emotions. So we have to reverse engineer everything, guys, no? So this one, it runs with frequency. Yan. In order for you, we have learned from the example earlier that in order for you to um, get that things that you want, the things that you want to do, you have to be in the same frequency, like the number, right? You have to have the same number when you dial it. Kailangan same yung number para makuha mo yung right frequency. So then, by saying that, ibig sabihin, you have to have the match frequency in order for you to get the things that you want. Just hold on tight on this, guys. Okay? You will understand more. So, say for example, you want your goals, no? You want the life that you want. So, ibig sabihin pala, I must know what is the frequency of that life, of that goal, of that health, of that relationship, in order, and I have to match it, no? In order for me to get that. Are you getting the point? kailangan kong maging match dun sa frequency ng buhay na gusto ko, ng goals na gusto ko, ng health na gusto ko, ng relationship na gusto ko, para pag naging match kami, it will reflect on my reality. It will reflect on my life. All right, that's actually the process of it. Now, we have to reverse engineer because before it will become a frequency, guys, here's what's happening, right? Frequency. Before it becomes a frequency, this is the pattern, guys, for you to really be more knowledgeable and be more aware. So before it becomes a frequency, it is first a vibration. No? Vibration, alam niyo naman yung vibration, di ba? So, it is first a vibration. Vibration is what signaling the frequency, no? Para malaman ni frequency kung ano yung match sa vibration mo or kung ano yung match na frequency na ibibigay sa'yo. Right? But before it becomes a frequency, guys, it will be first an energy in motion. So, ano yan, Coach Carl? Ano yung energy in motion? Other term for this is actually your action. Right? So, the right action will actually have the vibration, di ba? When you're moving, di ba? You're producing kinetic energy, di ba? And then, it will vibrate. Of course, you're moving. All the things here that you can see, no, this one, if you go into the molecular, atomic, nuclear level of these things here, you will see that the atoms, no, or the nucleus is actually vibrating. It's not staying still. You think this is solid? Yes, but on the atomic level, on the particle level, it is actually vibrating. It is moving every single time. It is not staying still. And that is actually the vibration, no? Everything vibrates, nothing rests. So, ibig sabihin, when you have the right energy in motion, you're producing the right action, it's actually vibrating towards the right frequency. And that frequency um, will be the frequency that is matched for your vibration, matching your action. And one last thing here, before it will become a energy in motion, it will be matched into, I already have given you a hint on this one earlier. The frequency, as what I mentioned earlier, is actually controlled by your emotions. Yan. Dito tayo hindi aware. No, that's why we let the day go by, no, without knowing anything. We drift in life, no. Pinapalipas lang natin yung araw without us knowing that your time is really important, no. So emotion is what dictates your energy in motion. From the word E, motion, energy in motion, right? Now it will dictate your vibration and it will dictate your frequency. This is the pattern, guys. All right? This is the pattern that you need to remember. This is what I don't know. I do not know the last time. When I was hitting my goals, I don't know why I was hitting my goals. No? I did not know. The thing with competent people, no? If you're unconsciously competent, is that nagagawa mo yung isang bagay but you're not able to explain why. Some call it just, because of God, no? But they don't really know the meaning of that. you're hitting your goals, but you don't know why. No, and there's like say some explanation to that. Some polls, there are a lot of billionaires, millionaires. No, they all have all the riches in life, but they felt lacking because they don't know why. What's the purpose of everything? What's the source of everything? What's the spirituality behind everything? Right? And once you know these patterns, you can always replicate. Yan ang maganda, guys, when you know this stuff here, especially the personal development, because you can replicate it, you can multiply it into other people, you can help more people. That's what we are doing right now. You can help more people. You know how to explain why you're winning. You will know how to explain why certain stuff works, di ba? All because you know the pattern and you know the source of everything, and you are having the awareness, the conscious awareness. Take note of this, guys. Conscious awareness in life. Okay? So, Coach Card, uh, ibig sabihin, in order for me to get these things here, the goals, my goals in life, my the life that I want, the health, the relationship, ibig sabihin, I just have to control my emotions in order for me to have the right frequency. Yes, yes, yes. We will give more examples of this one, okay? So, what's happening here? Say, for example, um, you have to reflect in your life, okay? This is what we're gonna need to do. Let me give you an example first, no, with the emotion, to prove this pattern here. So, first example is when someone cuts you off in a traffic, no. So, tikan kayong mag collision or whatnot. Your emotion, if you don't have control with your emotions, guys, what will happen is you will react. Okay, you will react immediately. You will react with your emotion. So what will happen is, kinat ka niya, munti ka mabangga or whatnot. So what will happen is, you might be angry. This will be your emotion. Now, or you will be annoyed. Diba? Galit ka. Grabe ka talaga. Tangang-tangang tao to. Diba? Anong gusto mo? Right? So, now, if your emotion is like this, do you think na this is your emotion and then you will say, ang bait mo talaga, ang bait mo po. No. You will like say the action is, you will blame the other person. Malamang sa malamang, you will be more aggressive. Diba? Aggressive ka kasi na-trigger yung ego mo, na-trigger yung pagkatao mo. Diba? Yan, na-trigger yung emotion mo. So you will, what? Masamang, malamang sa malamang magsasagutan kayo. Kung hindi, edi, dahil aggressive ka ngayon, gusto mo na talagang suntukin yung, yung kabilang parte. Diba? Then, your vibration will what? It will trigger, no? Trigger that sense of fight, no? Trigger fighting or trigger of stress. Yan, matitrigger yung stress sa vibration, the stress vibration. So this is what you're signaling. This is what you're vibrating now. And again, vibration is what's communicating to the frequency, right? This is what sends signals to the frequency. Now, yung frequency, ganyan-ganyan siya ngayon dahil ito yung emotion mo, right? Ganyan-ganyan, maghahanap yun siya ng kapareha ng frequency mo dito and vibration. Maghahanap yun siya, maghahanap. Then boom, you got your answer. Fighting. Diba? Stress. Yan. Yung kabilang parte, annoyed din sa'yo, malamang. Or galit din sa'yo. Diba? Galit din sa'yo yung kabila. Because that's, now, that other person or that other people or the situation, the universe is now telling or using those things in order for you to get the same of your emotion, of what your emotion is. Galit ka, annoyed ka, and aggressive ka na, the universe is using this situation for you to be reflected. For you to have the reflection of what you have inside, right? Anong mangyayari ngayon? You are getting more of the same. This is what we call here, guys, life. No, your outer world is just a reflection of your inner world. It is always internal before external. No? Hindi yan mangyayari sa'yo without you reflecting on your internal, di ba? What's going on with your internal. Ang isang bagay, it's either to teach you a lesson, no? Ang isang situation is either to teach you a lesson that kung kunwari bad situation yan, there is something inside you, no? That might be triggering that reflection in your reality. All right? So you will create more of the same, guys, because you have reacted. Now, I'm gonna be giving you an example. This happened to me. No? What happened is, there is an intersection. Merong marang papalabas na sakyan. So, hindi ko siya nakita and I've overtake, no? Nag-overtake ako dun sa kotse and then pag-overtake ko, nasa lane pa ako but then again, yung kotse, nabangga niya. Alright? So what happened after that is, okay, because I am more, like say, aware of this stuff here, and I know how to handle my emotions. What happened here is that instead of me being angry and annoyed, what happened is I was relaxed and calm. Huh? I can only give examples, guys, on what I have experienced in this whole module, no? In this whole course, because um, that's 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 how I train, no? That's how I train people. I cannot give examples. I may be giving examples of other people, but most of my examples will be my own examples because this is what I have learned and applied all throughout my personal development journey. Okay, so what happened there? Going back, I was relaxed. No? So I said to the guy, sabi ko na, boss talaga, wala na tayong magagawa. Nangyari. But before I released that, no, before ko yan sinabi, the guy was actually, you can see the anger, no? You can see na the disappointment na nabangga siya, the annoyance. But because I was calm and relaxed, sabi ko na, boss, wala tayong magagawa dito, settle na talaga tayo. Kakopos pa tayo ng traffic. The guy immediately switched, no? Because I did not let the emotions control me in the situation. I now am controlling the situation on how I respond. So instead of me reacting, I now responded. Ito kanina hilig sa ilo ko. What can I do on this situation right now? Bangga na kami. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. That's the beauty if you have control with your emotions. So what happened to the guy? Instead of him na magiging angry siya, we talked peacefully, we settled, um, we actually laughed. I know the guy more, you know, and at that time I was looking for some I was into supposedly mag-start ako ng Grab, you know. And yung amo nung yung guy is actually a what do you call this? Yung taga-approve ng mga um, license or I forgot the term, but yeah, yung permit ng Grab, no? So, but 'di ba? So, what happened to my vibration then if you can continue? What happened to my my action is now sending this guy that uh, I'm more yeah, my action was let's just settle, no? I'm not sending that I'm not aggressive. Yan, not aggressive, 'di ba? So now this is signaling on my vibration that okay, hindi stress si Carl, hindi siya angry, hindi siya aggressive. Now what's going on here is it is signaling the frequency. Now it's searching for not aggressive, not angry, okay, no stress, and that's what my result is. Not angry, di ba? More control, relax, calm, di ba? The response that I've got from the other guy or the situation is actually the same of my emotion. Are you getting the point, guys? If you have experienced this, no, you wake up in the morning feeling, bad, feeling I don't like this day. How if you have heard about when it rains, it pours. That's one. This is one of the reasons why. When you have a bad energy at the start of the day, it will ruin your day. It will create more of the same. No? Naiwan mo yung susi mo, naiwan mo yung hindi ka naka-attend ng party ng kids mo, di ba? Caught up with the traffic, di ba? So those kind of things. But then again, if you have know this pattern, okay, after the day, okay, Coach Carl said that na I have to control, I have to check with my emotions. You cannot control, no, but you have to check in every time um, before you become more in control. Because when you start to do this on the first time, you will never, I mean, you will have a hard time. You will just get more stressed. But that's what we are doing here. Okay, don't get me wrong. So you can control more. All right. So Coach Carl said, "Na I just have to check in with myself. Okay, let's see what's my emotions today. Let's start off the day right. Nothing can stop me today. Nothing can bother me today. Let's start. Let's see. You have to try it for yourself, guys, because you cannot just believe in my words here. You have to see it, um, reflect in your reality. You have to feel it, no, inside you. You have to apply it. All right. So I have to just be check in with my emotions lang pala. Let's see, no? And then you will start to see that everything is real. It's it's amazing to feel this. So those kind of happenings, you will see more either opportunity, um, you will see more proof, no, from time to time, right? So I'm gonna be giving you an example, no? Because our topic is frequency of getting the things that you want. Now, this is going to be you, no? Just don't mind my drawing. Again, chill lang tayo dito, guys. No? So this is you. You will be having a lot of possibilities in life, no, or outcomes, but we will focus on two outcomes. It's going to be the things that you want and the things that you don't want. All right. So this is going to be your this too is your future self, right? Your future self, your future self, right? This is your current self. Just stay with me on this, guys. You will understand it. All right. So, sabi mo, Coach Carl, I have to match the frequency of the things that I want. Correct. Diba? So this has its own frequency. This has its own frequency. Now, let's check in ourselves if we are really matching the frequency of the things that we want. So say, for example, we want money. Yan, right? We want abundance. Abundance. Yan. We want wealth, guys. So what we're gonna need to do is we're gonna need to know the frequency of that person that you want to become. So if you could like say, try this. Close your eyes, inhale, exhale, no? And then imagine the person you want to become. The person, our example is the person that is already abundant, the abundant you. No? Try to imagine kung abundant na ako ngayon, if I have all the wealth, say for example, let's just put figures, 12 million in the bank. No? You have 12 million in the bank right now. Imagine, what would be your emotions? Diba? Who you are at that moment. Who are you at that moment? Diba? Are you a giver? No? Imagine, just close your eyes. Are you a giver? Right? Malamang sa malamang, you are grateful. Diba? Grateful ka because you've been into a lot of trials and hardships. Now have the 12 million, your best life. Malamang sa malamang, happy ka, no? When you see a bill, you are actually not experience lack, di ba? You're not lacking because this bill is I can pay it. I can pay that. I have 12 million in the bank, di ba? Malamang sa malamang, relax ka, hindi ka anxious. All right. You can be more, no? You can like say so pwede mo yan sulatin. But for now, if you come to your senses, so this is the people, or this is the person that you want to become. This is the frequency of the person you want to become. Diba? Remember? If you want to be in the GMA, if you want to watch ABS and you are in GMA, you cannot do it. You cannot see ABS-CBN's shows. So here, this is the person that you want to become. Let's now try to imagine the person that you don't want to become. Diba? So, malamang sa malamang, it's still like say the person who are um, experiencing lack. Diba? Dito, anxious ka. Palagi kang nag-iisip, palagi kang stress, di ba? Palagi kang anxious, hindi ka mapakali kasi maraming bayarin, di ba? Maraming problema, maraming napakaraming stress. 'Di ba? And dito naman is hindi ka grateful. Ungrateful ka dito kasi sa malamang pagising mo sa umaga, Diyos ko Lord, paano ko gagawin to? Paano, anong papakain ko sa mga ganito? Anong pwede kong gawin? Problema ang iniisip mo. Right? Now, since we now know the frequency of both parties, let's now check in ourselves. So this is the part, guys, where we have to define our current self right now. Okay? Let's see if we are matching the things that we want and or the things that we don't want. Let's see kung saan tayo mas match. So right now, what's going on with our current self is pagising sa umaga, problema. I'm not saying that this is you, okay? You might be here just for health. This is just the sample of abundance, but you can apply this to everything. You might be here in this group because you want more love, no? But yeah, this is just the example. Okay, so malamang sa malamang ngayon, yung pagising mo sa umaga, problems, no? Ang iniisip mo, you are not grateful na pagising mo sa umaga, pwede mo pang magawa yung mga bagay-bagay. Diba, you are anxious. Try to imagine, guys. Kahit ipabasa mo to sa bata, you will know that this is actually not matching the things that you want. This is your frequency right now, guys. If this is your frequency right now, this can never be matched here. You are in ABS-CBN. This one is in GMA. Right? You are having 0909 number, but this one is 0907. This, you are on AM station. This one is on FM station. You are having wrong password. This one has different password. Are you getting the point, guys, of the example earlier? You can never get the things that you want if what you are vibrating, if what you are having as an emotion, if what you are having as a frequency is not matched with the things that you want. Are you getting the point? Where are you matching? Getting the point, guys. Same password. Check. This one is on AM, tuned into AM. Check. This one is ABS. This one is also ABS. Check. 0909. This is also 0909 number. Check. Stress. Check. Anxious. Check. Not grateful, ungrateful, lack. Check. Are you seeing the point, guys? If you don't know, or if you are not going to be honest with yourself right now, brutally honest on what you have as an emotion right now, on what your habits are right now, you will never get the things that you want. Even if you pray to God every single minute, every single hour, it will never be given to you. That's also one of the explanations why prayers does not work, because you first have to check in with yourself. if you are believing that prayer, if you are having faith on that prayer, if you are having faith in God, that He can give you that He already have given you that prayer of yours. Right, guys? Hindi pa tayo galit. Right? So, Coach Carl, ibig sabihin pala, I have to change something within me in order for me to get uh, the things that I want in the reality, in my world. You are actually right. What are you going to change is your emotion. All right. So, ganun lang pala, Coach Carl. So, I need to change myself. No? Just need to become a giver. Just need to become a grateful. No? This is actually an action. No? Generous. You are generous. Right? You are feeling generous. You are feeling grateful because we are about emotion. You are calm. Yan. Diba? You are not stressed. No stress. Now, this is going to be match, 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 match. Oh, simple lang pala, Coach Carl. Yes, simple lang siya, right? But say for example, in your current self right now, say for example, generous, and walang-wala ka talaga. Paano yun? Paano yun, Coach Carl? Wala akong maibigay, may nanghihingi, wala akong maibigay. Alright, that's where you have to have more awareness. You need to have more awareness because being abundant, it doesn't mean of a monetary value. You can be abundant in any ways, diba? If if you want to become a giver or generous, you you can give knowledge, you can give more love, no, to the other party, the other person, to the situation. Say for example, a person, say for example, maybe a kid, no, sa labas ng mall, sa gasolinahan, diba? Nanghihingi sila sa iyo. So what you can do is, instead of him, dahil wala kang maibigay, so instead of you giving them monetary value, then you can give them knowledge. You can instruct them na, oh, good thing that you are with me today. So let me give you this learnings, diba? This knowledge. Why not? Tomorrow, punta ka sa palengke, try mong kausapin yung mga taga-palengke. Ate, pwede bang benta ko tong kalamansi mo? Kuha ka ng kalamansi, benta ko tong kalamansi mo, lagay mo lang sa plastic. Now, balik ka dito, magbenta ka sa mga motorista, and you will earn more, and you will have more money. Are you getting the point, guys? It doesn't mean that you have to give monetary value. You just have to feel more abundant inside you. Again, we are changing inside before it comes outside. Now you will feel great. So I was able to help a person. I am being abundant. Give more love. If someone's need for example, your advice, then you can give more advice. As long as that's a legit advice. Diba? You are giving love. You are giving. You are now a giver. Are you getting the point, guys? Can you share more possibility? More positivities in your circle. You are giving. Are you getting the point? All right. Being grateful. Pagising mo sa umaga, because you are feeling abundant, you are now grateful. Kahit wala ka pa, kahit you don't have to see it in your outside world. Again, before you have it in your outside world, it needs to be inside. It needs to be practiced inside. Okay? That's why in Mark 11 verse 24, 11:24, God said, na, whatever you ask for in prayer, believe that you already have it. and you will have it. Believe that you already have it. This is what we're doing here. You are believing that you already have this, you are already this, you are already that, and we are applying it here in order for you to get it, para makuha mo siya. You are now believing, you are now acting as if you already have it. Because that's what you can only do now. You cannot just get million physically unless gusto mo mag-hold up ng bangko. Diba? Then again, what am I saying is, you have to feel it here with your emotion, because that's now going to dictate your actions, and your actions will send those right vibration, and that vibration will send that right frequency, the frequency that is matched for you. Again, before it goes external, it will first be internal. Okay, you have to change something within you in order for you to change something outside of you. You put garbage here, you will have garbage outside. Okay? Are you getting the point, guys? No? So, here is one example of how you can understand more of the frequency. No? In the personality development world, we have like levels of frequency. Let me use this. And green is good, red is bad. Yan. Frequency is last consciousness level, guys. Okay? In spirit frequency, consciousness or awareness slash spirituality, no? Spiritual. This one, 0%. So if you are on this level of frequency, this is what we call the survival mode. Or the low energy, right? Low energy means survival. You are surviving. This is where stress are, no? Dito stress ka, wala kang nagagawa kasi low ang energy mo. All right? This is where yung anxiousness, dito nangyayari yan. All right? Dito nangyayari sa level na to, sa level of frequency. Right? In this side of frequency, this is like say all the possibilities, no? Good possibilities. This is where you are abundant, no? This is where the abundance goes. Ang energy mo dito is high energy. Diba? When you're feeling happy, right? When was the last time you're really feeling happy na, like say for example, your friends, you're talking to one of your friends here, you're talking about your life, your happiness in life, no? You will, if you are with your loved one, no? Yung the moment, if you're a guy, the moment na nangliligaw ka, you will never, there's no time. Diba? You think that, hindi mo namamalayan yung oras. When you're doing something and you're really focused on it, you will like say, be amazed. Oh, ano nangyari? Ba't parang hapon na? Diba? When you're loving something, when you are happy doing something, time is an illusion. Diba? This is, you have high energy. I remember in my business, No, 24 hours is actually not enough for me. When I say not enough, I feel like I still have more energy to do more. I I cannot um I cannot run out of energy. Hindi ako nawawala ng energy. Ask my wife. Um when nalaman ko lang na my body is pagod na siya, is because I don't snore, but my wife is telling me na I snore a lot. So I wake up 5 a.m. I go home like around 11 a.m. when I was hustling in my fertilizer business. Pero hindi ako pagod. I can I like to do more pero tulog na yung mga customer namin, so I have to rest. But I can still feel I can do more because I'm loving it. No, I did not know these things at that time. No, so I was just like doing. No, action. But I'm happy, right? So this area of spectrum, guys, this is what we call in spirituality the heaven. Lagay natin dito. The heaven and the hell. Are you getting the point, guys? Diba? In energy, this is also energy consciousness something. This is the positive and this is more of the negative. So you have to check in with yourself. Are you on the low level of frequency or you are on the higher level of frequency? Because you have to be here in order for you to create, because this is the part where creation happens. This is the part where creation happens. You cannot creation of the things that you want. Here, you will only get stuck with what you already have created previously. This is where you are creating more abundance, more possibilities, more of the things that you want. Here, you are also creating, but you are creating more of the same. Hell, diba? I mean, if you can think of hell, if you know hell, it's nothing is good in there. Is happening in there, diba? Paparusahan ka and all and that kind of stuff. Dito, stress ka, anxious ka, palagi kang tuliro, no? You're not getting the things that you want. So you have to be here, guys, and these are the pattern on how you become more aware of this creation area. Are you getting the point? Now, Coach Carl, ganun lang pala. So, this is how simple it is. Yes. Yes and no. Because, guys, if frequency is actually uh, controlled by your emotion, if frequency is the source, I mean, if emotion is the source of frequency, the emotion, right? There is also a source to that because you can't control your emotion if you don't know how and what is your programming. There you go. And this will be on the second video, guys. The programming is what control your habits, your thoughts, no? Your beliefs, your emotions. There you go. If you don't know how you are being programmed and how and what you have been programmed to and how you can change this programming, trust me, your emotions, consider it done. You will never ever control it. If you cannot control your emotions, you will never have the right action. You will never have the right your vibration will just signal the frequency that you are not going the way that where your where the person that you want to become is right now. Hindi ka makakarating dun sa bagay na gusto mo because you cannot, because you don't have control with your emotions. And all because you don't know how to change your programming. The things that you have right now is just a reflection of your previous way of thinking, previous way of feeling, previous way of emotions. And that is all because of your programming. All right, so I would like to see you in the next video. Try to ask questions, replay this video, guys, because this is really essential. Okay, again, these are all learning stuff here muna, right? Ask questions, more understanding, and then we will go with the application. All right, so I hope you're good today. See you on the next video.